So yes, this is the first look of the Xpulse. You're seeing her probably for the first time. She's going to be getting a rally kit soon. So this is a great opportunity for me to ride her without the rally kit and then later on with the rally kit. I'll let you know. How much of a difference that makes. That was the whole idea.
Namaskar Internet, welcome to Motorcycling Musician. Do hit the subscribe button in case you haven't. In this video, I'm going to be riding the Xpulse before I fitted the rally kit and let you know what difference it makes.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the life, the path to which has been shown by our friend Viraj here. It's a nice setup he has here. And this is my new acquisition, the Xpulse 200.
Well, not new anymore.
Meet Madam Kiwi. Madam Kiwi unfortunately will not be accompanying us today because there's no caretaker who's going to stay back with her. That is a Suzuki RMX 250, that's Viraj's ride.
Well, ratcheting our way through, you think it's an easy job? No, it isn't. Just look at that face. It requires a real man to ratchet. I'm just kidding, ladies.
Quite a bit more. Yeah, this should be fine.
Well, I'm thinking if it was you ladies, you would have probably done a better job. But anyways, here we are in the truck. Viraj is peeping in.
It's a very photogenic situation.
Yeah, we could get used to this way of.
That's what I'm saying.
The bike
I'm
thing,
not
right?
used to it. Yeah, I'm fully used to it.
Nice in your chads and t-shirts.
That's the feature.
Yeah, over here I am in my motor gear. We could get used to it.
Yes.
What's up, dude?
Good man.
So tell us, what have you forgot? You got your helmet, you got your riding gear.
I got my ride gear, everything.
Did you get your bike?
Yeah, I got my bike.
Okay. And
I
then?
forgot my cash, my driving license, my card, everything. I'm sorry.
You got your mask.
No, I have my mask.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please meet the devil.
Oh yeah, I've known him since my Ducati Scrambler days. Great guy, good fun, super rider. And he's going to be riding his stock Xpulse. And here we are, we've parked our truck, got the bikes off, and now there's only one thing left to do, which is chat, of course.
ये वाला जो बाइक है ये सबसे बेस्ट सुजुकी का हम लोगों का तो एक्सपल्स है मगर धीरे धीरे बनाएंगे हम लोग भी
So that expression says, grow up guys. Okay, let's put on the lid. Always keep your head safe. Like my 6-year-old son says, that's where your brain is. Okay, so this is my first ever ride on the Xpulse, and you can feel the reluctance and the discomfort of the ergonomics. Moving from the Africa Twin, this is a much smaller bike with very different ergos. It's doing great in the mud, and that's because Sagar, who I purchased it from, already has full knobby tires that he's mounted on this. So I've got a Mitas on the rear, I've got a Shinko in the front, and that is seeing me through all these muddy parts and ruts without much of a problem. Oh, look at that smile. Always good to say hello to the locals. Considering that I am riding a stock handlebar, that's the first thing that you need to get rid of. It's got too much of a leverage owing to its shape. You know, it just rises too far up, and there's too much of play between the handlebar, the cone, and the wheel. Well, that was a yummy water crossing. Let's park up and wait for Viraj and Devil to catch up. Well, now that I zoom in, you can see that the ruts are pretty deep. But anyways, he's through. That's Devil. Now he is on stock tires, which means just look at the way he's slipping and sliding. Those tires which come on the Xpulse are pretty much commuting tires.
Okay, there you can see there's a nala. That's the end of this trail.
And so with the stock Xpulse tires, you really can't be riding deep mud. No ways.
These are the beautiful spots that you come across on any given trail ride in Maharashtra during the monsoons. Gorgeous, isn't it? So I definitely need that sprocket. I definitely need the sprocket. You also do.
Yeah.
The second gear is so fucking tall.
So that's okay. The out of the few mods that I'm doing now, is the sprocket.
So I've got one guy, I found one guy in Cochin. I'll forward it to you on Insta.
How much are you planning to go?
40.
Okay, but
38 is the original.
Oh, nice. We seem to be finding our riding rhythm now. And now that I spent some time on the Xpulse, I'm kind of getting used to how I stand on the pegs and how the bike fits sort of while I'm riding. Well, we seem to have climbed midway, so it's time to take a break and maybe feed some pictures to Insta.
Oh man, what a click. Say cheese.
Well, I'm on Instagram as Motorcycling Musician. Please do feel free to follow me, although you'll end up in dirty places.
So this is our breakfast spot. Viraj has the coffee, I have some sandwiches. Yeah,
I have the cookie.
he has the cookies. You got a cup?
Yep, I've got.
Perfect. Let's go.
Okay, so that's the end of part 1. I'll see you on part 2 soon. This is Vipin Mishra saying ciao.